Welcome to How to Make Money. Please subscribe to get easy earning tips daily and discover real ways to build online income in 2025. Are you tired of watching fake money-making tricks that never work? In this video, I will share 5 powerful methods to make money online in 2025 that are proven, beginner-friendly, and can help you build 100 plans per day. 1. Freelancing, the fastest way. Platforms Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Start with simple skills: content writing, data entry, Canva designs, or basic video editing. Even beginners can get their first client within weeks if they create a professional gig. 2. YouTube automation. No need to show your face or record your voice. Use stock videos, AI voiceovers, and consistent uploads. Once monetized, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. 3. Affiliate marketing. Join Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Promote trending products using blogs, YouTube, or TikTok. Each sale brings you commission, sometimes up to 50%. 4. Print-on-demand business. Create simple designs using Canva. Upload them to Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Each time someone buys your design, you earn passive income. 5. Online tutoring. Coaching teach English, math, or any subject on Preply or Cambly. Huge demand in UK and USA. Flexible timing, pays $10–25 per hour. Call to action, CTA. Which method will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to How to Make Money for daily guides on online earning in 2025. Thanks for watching. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, the best time to start making money online is today.